All right, just moments ago, literally 10 seconds ago, the National Weather Service out of Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning now for Madison and areas to the west. You can see the polygon right here. This is it. This was just issued moments ago, and I'll show you why. First of all of us except for Fond du Lac and Sheboygan under the watch until 9 o'clock this evening. This is the line that we're watching. We knew there was going to be a squall line developing, and it has developed. And while it has shown some signs of weakening a little bit, especially this cell that was coming out of Platteville, that has almost fallen apart after being severe earlier. This area right in here has been producing some winds in front of that cell, right in here, between 55 and 60 miles per hour. That is severe, and that's why the Weather Service has issued that warning for the Madison area over the next half hour to 45 minutes. So it's this line right in here. You can see that lighter blue. Those are those wind gusts coming out of that shelf cloud out in the front of that storm system. So as of right now, it has been quiet here in southeastern Wisconsin. We've had this cloud cover today because of some big storms this morning down around Chicago. That has helped keep us cooler today, even though the warm front came through and it made us very humid as it was supposed to. The clouds have kept us in the 70s instead of the 80s. That front off to the northwest isn't going to cool us down this weekend at all. It is going to keep us in the 80s. It's just basically going to drop the humidity a little bit. Heavy rain briefly from this, maybe for like 20-30 minutes as it pushes through. We could pick up a quick half-inch to an inch of rain, but no flash flooding. Wind is definitely a big concern with this, as you just saw with that cell. So is hail, and tornadoes is under a low threat as well, but you got to keep your eye out on that anytime. The cloud cover has kept Waukesha in the 70s, lower 70s. That's going to help us with these storms. The dew points, though, are getting close to tropical. Yesterday, it was in the upper 40s, very comfortable outside. Now you feel that humidity out there. It's thick, and it's part of the fuel for these storms. Between now and about, I'm thinking 7:30 or so, the storms are going to roll on through, and they could be completely out over the lake before 9 o'clock this evening. And then it's quiet the rest of the night, quiet for the rest of the weekend. You'll have sunshine all day tomorrow. A little bit of an easterly wind developing in the afternoon, so it does get cooler at the lakefront, but everybody else enjoying temperatures in the 80s. A quick half-inch to maybe an inch in some locations if you get under some of those heavier downpours. But as I mentioned, it's moving so quickly that line, you won't get flash flooding out of this. Current dew point has jumped up 20 degrees from yesterday. It's getting thick out there, close to steamy, and then we will stay with the humidity through next week. Summer has arrived. Temperatures tonight, because of the higher humidity, stay in the upper 60s, so it's definitely an AC kind of a night. If you have it, the rain gets out of here before, I think, 9 o'clock tonight. The rest of the night's dry. Plenty of sunshine tomorrow, high of 83. It does get cooler at the lakefront in the afternoon with that northeasterly breeze. 84 in Waukesha tomorrow, 85 in Watertown, 83 in Racine before that northeast wind kicks in. 78 on Sunday. It'll be in the lower 80s inland. 82 for Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week. Each day has a chance for an afternoon pop thunderstorm with the heat and the humidity. Just like that, Shannon, summer is here, but we're going to keep an eye on that line of storms for the next couple hours.
All right.